Ube is a special type of purple yam with a sweet, nutty, and vanilla-like flavor, and it makes the perfect food pairing for matcha. In this video, we're going to show you how to make the perfect Ube Matcha Latte using the purple yam from the Philippines that has now become world famous. For this recipe, we're going to be using a few simple ingredients. First, we're going to need 1/8 teaspoon ube extract or 2 tablespoons of ube puree, 1 cup of milk. You'll also need 1/2 teaspoon of sweetener, 1/4 cup hot water, ice cubes, and finally 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. But which matcha powder is best for this Ube Matcha Latte? After meeting with dozens of matcha producers around Japan, we finally found the perfect latte matcha. It's produced without the use of pesticides or chemicals by Masuda N in Shizuoka. After touring their facility, we learned how this matcha is ground into the perfect texture for lattes, producing a smooth consistency that also mixes evenly into the milk, and it has a bolder flavor that shines through the latte. The super premium ceremonial matcha is meant for plain drinking, and when you use it in a latte, it can sometimes be overshadowed by the other ingredients. If you want to try this latte matcha for yourself, you can find it on our website, neoteas.com. We also have dozens of matcha recipes on our blog if you want to explore, but for now, let's get back to the Ube Matcha Latte. So if you want to make a more authentic Ube Matcha Latte, you can first prepare an ube puree. You'll want to peel and cube your ube, and then steam and boil the ube cubes until they're very soft. Next, you'll want to blend it with a small amount of coconut milk or water until it's completely smooth and spoonable. We can set this aside for now. Next, we're going to prepare the matcha. Sift 1 teaspoon of premium matcha latte powder into a bowl to remove the clumps. You can then take 1/4 cup of hot water and add a tiny splash to blend the matcha into a paste. This makes it easier to smooth out the clumps so they don't end up in the final latte. Next, add in the rest of the water and whisk until smooth and frothy. Now it's time to assemble the ube milk. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of the puree for each ube matcha latte or 1/8 teaspoon of the ube extract. Stir it directly into 1 cup of coconut milk with your sweetener until it turns a light shade of purple. Now you can fill a glass with ice cubes and pour in your ube milk. Then you can slowly pour in the whisked matcha on top to create a beautiful layering effect. Your Ube Matcha Latte is now ready to serve. If you want to really enhance the flavor of this Ube Matcha Latte, you can experiment with some of our premium matcha powders. After traveling around Japan for the past few years, we've met with dozens of farmers and sampled hundreds of different matcha teas. You can find all of our favorites on our website, neoteas.com. If you like this Ube Matcha Latte recipe, we would really appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to see more matcha recipes in the future. Until then, we'll see you next time.